If you want to color correct your video, first thing you have to do is to drag and drop your clip and bring your clip into your timeline. Then you select it. Then you come over to LumetriColor. In case you're not seeing this LumetriColor or this, what you have to do is to come to your Windows, you go to your workspace and select Effects. And after you've done that, you're not still seeing it in Effects, you come to this your Windows still and make sure that your LumetriColor is clicked here. Make sure it's clicked here so it can be visible here. So once you make sure that your LumetriColor is here, then make sure you click on your clip. Then you come here, come to your LumetriColor. Let's expand this a little. You come to your LumetriColor, look for basic correction. So this is your basic correction here. Then while your clip is still clicked, you click on auto. So after you're done clicking on auto, you can see there is a bit change in the color correction. For you to know the differences, you can click here, click this check mark to turn it off and click it back to turn it on to see the comparison in it. Then if you say you are not satisfied, you can still adjust the intensity, increase the intensity or take the intensity lower, whichever you like. And that is it. That's how to make your auto correction as easy as quick as possible.